Hi, it's Andrew with ServerMania again. In this particular guide, I'm going to show you how to view your bandwidth graphs. Now, this process is different between your two different services. So first, we're going to look at a dedicated server. If you click on your server, you can see your bandwidth billing is listed on the right-hand side. You can choose between your current or your previous renewal period. He'll give you a list of between April 8th and April 2nd, for example, as well as the maximum transfer and then your rate per gigabyte if you were to go over. Now, to drill into your bandwidth graph, click on View Graph, and from here you can see where your bandwidth may have spiked, as well as other details pertaining to this device specifically. Now, going back to the Services tab, we're going to click on the Hybrid server, and then we're going to click on the server itself under Devices. And from here, you can see your bandwidth usage on the right-hand side as well. If you would like to see more information or you need more help with this particular tutorial, feel free to visit servermania.com and click on Knowledge Base.